So now let's see how we can do path animation inside of Blender. So to do path animation, first of all, I need a path. So I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go around into curve, and then I'm going to click on path. Once I do that, I'm going to press Tab on my keyboard right here, and you can see that this is the path right here. So if I were to pull this out right here, then you can see that this is the path. I can press Tab right here, and this is what you have. So I'm going to press S, and then I can scale this out right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can press Shift A on the keyboard, and then you can go around and then bring in an object for which you want the path to be followed by. So I'm going to go around and select cylinder in my case right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the cylinder, and on the object constraint properties, I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to add object constraint, and over here you will be able to see path follow option. So over here you can see follow path option is there. So I'm going to click on this, and here I need to select the target. That is, I need to select the path for which I want the object to be followed in. So I'm going to go around onto the eyedropper tool and click on the object, and what happens is that now the object gets attached to the path. And if I were to change the offset right here, you can see that I can change it out along with the path right here. So similarly, I can go around and change the forward axis over here as well, just like this. So I can go around into minus and press, and up axis over here as well, similarly. And then what happens is that you can see that as I do this, it changes around right here. You can also have fixed position right here, just like this, and then change around just like that. Offset factor is now different, as you can see. You can curve the radius right here, as you can see right here. You can go for follow the curve as well, so that it rotates along as well, as you can see. So this is the object, as you can see right here. You can rotate this around, and once that is rotated, you can see that it follows along that way, as you can see. And now you can add a keyframe to this. So I'm going to go around, add in a keyframe to this right here. I'm going to turn on auto keyframe as well, and I'm going to go around into 40 right here, increase this out, and what happens is that the keyframe animation will be there. So I'm going to go around right here. So there you go. The keyframe has been added out right here. The auto keyframe is turned on. You can press play button, and that is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around over here on the beginning right here, and there you go. There's the path animation which has happened. And that is how you can do Bezier Path animation inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.